Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Alexandria local and long-distance movers near me. When you choose the right cheap Alexandria moving company, you get the help you need for your local or long-distance move. 3 Movers is the right professional company for your moving needs. Hiring us means you get movers that know how to make your move simple and easy. Getting the most convenient move possible means you want to choose some of the following options. Packing services. We can do the packing and the unpacking for you when you don't have the time to do it yourself. Moving supplies. If you plan to do the packing, our moving supplies give you everything from basic options to specialty materials for very fragile items. On-time moving. With our movers, you won't have to worry about any type of delays or cancellation on moving day. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us gives you the accurate price you need to set your moving budget. Licensed and insured. We provide you with the protection you need to rest easy during your move. Choosing to work with our movers for your long-distance move will ensure you get a stress-free process. We can help you move one state over or several states away. Our team gives you the professional help you truly need. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Alexandria moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.